Hi, I'm Neeru. I'm a legal counsel by profession. We met Ruchi and Shashank through our common friends. I had visited one of my common friends' place and I really liked how the interior was done at their place, so I took the contact details. Then I called Ruchi and she was very kind enough to visit us on a very short notice. First meeting was on 5th of October 2023 and she came with Shashank and her senior design team. They took a tour of the house. We explained to them what we needed. Since this is a penthouse, we wanted the 2 floors to reflect the theme of the house and the growing needs of our family. We discussed everything from the color scheme of the house to the fabric, the curtains, the tiles, the handles. They had a lot of interesting inputs to share with us. The process took about 9 months. The renovation of this size, the project of this size takes that much time. We are very happy now coming back to this house. It is a beautiful house and everybody who visits the house asks us who our designers are. So it is a win-win for people living in this house and also the people who have designed this house.
So ma'am, how was your experience working with us throughout the project?
The experience was very satisfying. The experience was smooth. They have a team for everything, payments, procurement, design. There was a dedicated person I could call every time I had something to share. Designing was a good brainstorming session and now in hindsight it looks like well worth our time.
What made you choose us for your interior designing project?
We decided to go with Ruchi Shashank basis the feedback we got from our common friends. I had already visited their house and I liked the interiors done by Ruchi and Shashank through Design du Jour. And it was a good gesture on the part of Ruchi and Shashank to come meet us when we wanted to discuss the design and the budget in detail. So the personal touch that they added gave them the advantage, which is why we decided to go with them.
What's your favorite part of the design we created for you?
I think the best part is the niche wall that you can see behind me. We have very beautiful curios we have put on display. A lot of brainstorming happened on this. My husband and Ruchi discussed how the depth and height and the design of each niche needs to be. We wanted lights, so it has come out really nice and we are very happy about the wall. The second and a very spectacular aspect is the Chettinad column. It's a pure joy to look at. Third is the iron table which we have designed, which is a compact table which folds inside an almirah, and we have a dedicated space for keeping washed laundry. And I'm very happy that I have a space for this and clothes are not lying all around the house. And the fourth, of course, is our study, the library, and the instrument display with the lights.
Are you happy with the quality of material used suggested by Ruchi and Shashank?
We are very happy with the quality of materials used in our house. We have used handmade tiles in the lobby. We have used metallic paint at some spaces on some walls. Generally, the quality of wood used in the wooden flooring, the stone used as a countertop in the kitchen, the anti-skid tiles used on the stairs. The material looks good to last.
Did we pay attention to your personal touch and attention to details?
The team at Design du Jour tried their best to accommodate all our personal requests. I wanted a pop of color in the kitchen because a large part of the day is spent cooking. So we have a beautiful beige and yellow kitchen, and it was Ruchi's suggestion to take the yellow color to the dining area. So we have a beautiful dining yellow wall, which is the only highlight in that area. I wanted my study to make me feel comfortable when I sit and work at my desk. So we have height adjustable tables, which was also suggested by the team. My husband really wanted the niche wall to put on his curios for display, and we have the wall right behind us. So the team has taken pains to design to meet our personal requirements.
What is the best thing you like about Ruchi and Shashank?
The best thing about Ruchi and Shashank is that they feel like friends while they are professionals. They are really good at what they are doing. They give you insights while explaining any concept. If there is an issue, they try to resolve it over and over and again, and they give you a response which satisfies the client 100%.
Before starting the project, what was your biggest challenge and how we solved it?
I think one of the biggest challenges of the project were the working timings allowed by the condominium. There is a complete restriction on Sundays and 2 to 4 on every day, weekday, no work is allowed. So the team planned work in a manner that between 2 to 4 noiseless work can happen, like pasting, fixing of tiles, minor electrical fittings, paint and polish. So the team was able to overcome this biggest challenge.
So, ma'am, how did the design meet your vision and expectations?
We love the niche wall. The way we visioned it, it has met our expectation. The Chettinad column meets our expectation. It is a pure decor item and we love to look at it every now and then. A special mention about Nandini's room, my daughter's room. We requested for a bunk bed and we have a beautiful bunk bed with stairs and there is a lot of storage. We requested that her room should have a bay window because her room has a beautiful view of our condominium, and the bay window also has a lot of storage which is required in children's room. So the design has met our expectations.
So, ma'am, how has your lifestyle changed since you moved in?
After moving into this house, we are really enjoying the space and the expanse. This is a penthouse, so now we have got used to using the stairs and going up and down, using 2 floors, enjoying the terrace that we have, the big kitchen. We are really enjoying our time in this house.
So, ma'am, how do you feel about the final result of your space?
Final result of the space is very positive, warm, we feel content and we feel that we have got the value of our money.
What feedback have you received from your friends and family about your new home?
We have received feedback like wow. We have received feedback like who is your designer? We have received feedback like wow, really? Is this a house or is it a hotel? We have received positive feedback and it's very heartwarming, not just for us, but we feel proud that we were able to engage a team which has delivered beyond our expectations.
So, ma'am, what would you say to someone considering hiring us for their interior designing needs?
Anybody looking to engage an interior designer would definitely get the recommendation. I will recommend that you meet Ruchi and Shashank once and consider engaging Design Raju.